Okay, this is a video for Dakota Group, Alan and Jessica. If you want to record and change the name or change the recording for, this is Tom by the way, change the recording for the main auto attendant when people call in. I'm going to show you how to do that. You need to log in to the system, and then you should be at your office near a phone, because one of the events will be that your phone will ring. We're going to set your phone to ring, and then you can record the greeting from your telephone. When your phone rings, you pick it up. It says speak louder after the tone to begin your recording. Press pound when done, and then just record it, and I'll show you how to save it from there. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put in this address. You can save this, and it'll just watch how it comes up. It turns red. It's going to come up with a splash screen. It's blue. You're going to type in manager, and you're going to type in, and I'll show you where it is there in a minute, PA55WORD, PA55WORD with the shift key held down on the second, PA55WORD, and I'll show you where that is right now so that you can get it. If we go into settings, user information, manager, to look at, so I'll just move on. So what we want to do is we want to create a prompt for the IVR, which is the interactive voice response. So if you hover, see how I'm doing this? I go status, I go PBX, and then I move down to internal options, hover, move over to custom prompts, and there's your main greeting there. If you want to listen to your main greeting, you click on play. You dial your own number, which is Jessica, and you hit play. It's going to ring the phone. You're going to answer, and you're going to listen to it. When you're ready to record, you're going to hit record, and you're going to pick you, and you're going to record it. I'm not going to do that now because I'm not at your phone. Press record. It's going to ring your phone. You answer. Just change the recording, and then you can save it and then listen to it here. You can also listen to it on the phone. This will be your main greeting. Where that takes place is up here, call features, IVR. You'll see that you have a main greeting here, and right now it's playing. Oh, it's playing the temp. I'm not sure why, but it's playing the temporary one. So maybe we need to record the temporary greeting as well. So if that's the case, let's zip back over to prompts, prompt page. And then you want to re-record, listen to, and then re-record the temporary greeting from your phone again. You can also do a brand new prompt if you're interested. Let's see what else the IVR has to say here. So calls that come in, go to the main, and play the prompt that's called temp greeting. If you press 0, you go to the main ring group, which rings all the phones. If you press 8, it goes to voicemail access. You can get your voicemail from external, but you don't need to if you have emailing. And there's not much else here. One, to go to the location, I guess for the store hours and location. And then, of course, they can enter any extension if they know the extension, which is probably listed on there on the recording. Here's your location. Location doesn't look like it's got it just has welcome on there for the prompt, so I'm not sure if that's the actual prompt. That usually is a generic. Yeah, there's nothing there. So I don't think that there's anything recorded. You guys might want to listen to your greetings call in from the outside world, or if you don't want to call them from the outside world, you just want to listen to them directly, you can just dial 7000 to hear what the main greeting is going to sound like, or you can pick up your phone and dial 7001 and see what that greeting, if any, will sound like. I don't think there's one in there right now. Then you can just re-record them as necessary. I think that covers it. Internal options, let's see, inbound call routes. Do we need to know about that? This is how your main number is handled. Here it is here. As you can see, the main number rings the ring group first. Rings your ring group. Destination is the ring group, main ring group. If we go down to ring groups, it's probably a little much to follow right now, but maybe you get the gist of it. Here's your main ring group. When it rings the main ring group, which is 6400, which you can call, you can just pick up the phone and dial 6400, and it should ring all of these phones immediately. Now, if all of those phones don't get answered after 20 seconds, in other words, it rings each member collectively rings them simultaneously here. After 20 seconds, nobody answers. It's going to go to the IVR main. So it's going to then play your main greeting, which is this one here, IVR main, which you can dial 7000 and listen to anytime you want. It's going to play the temp greeting in there and allow people to dial extensions. And if people press any of these buttons, this will happen. On most of these, nothing happens. So that's kind of how it's set up right now. Give that a go. Should be fun. Take care. Talk to you soon. 604-668-3200. Make sure you log off. So click up here, top right, log out. Okay, there we go.